Hey you guys, so we are finishing up the mushroom earrings, and I was gonna say this is probably gonna be the shortest video I have in my entire playlist. So I've already put the gloss on the front of the earrings. So look how pretty they turned out. So they've already been glossed. I've already used the triple thick on the front. I've already drilled the holes. And to answer your question, in case someone asked me, that I did use the cordless drill. And just so you know, whenever my video, I'm talking really fast or it sounds sped up, it's not me talking that fast. I wish I could talk that fast. 9 times out of 10, I sped the video up so it wouldn't be an hour long. So bear with me that I know that can be annoying for some people, but I'm truly not talking that fast. That's just the video sped up. So a couple people have said, hey, can you slow down talking so fast? It's just sped up video. So again, thank you though for the feedback, because I do appreciate what people do and don't like for the most part. And I feel like asking someone to stop talking so fast, like that's realistic, because especially if you're trying to follow along, you know, if I'm talking too fast, then you can't follow along. So thank you for that feedback. So now what we're doing is I'm just painting the back of the earring so that it will look just as pretty as the front. Now I don't gloss the backs of my earrings. I think I've mentioned that before. Some people do. Some people go about finishing the back, so I could put some polka dots back here if I wanted to, just to finish it off and make it look like the front. I may start doing that on my designs, but I haven't up until this point done that. But I do like the idea of putting some type of decorative mention on the back. I put a little bit of red on that one, so I'm gonna match it up over here. So now, after the back dries, they're gonna be finished. And then we're gonna go ahead and put, sorry about that. After they dry, then we're gonna go ahead and put our fish hooks on the back and finish these up, and we will have a psychedelic 70s inspired mushroom pair of earrings. So we're gonna let this dry, and then I'll be back to finish up the video. I hope you enjoyed the other 2 videos where I did the cow print earrings and we did the strawberry earrings. My 15-year-old hijacked the cow print earrings, which was the little baby pair that went along with these. So cute. And then I just finished up the little strawberries on another video that I'm going to be posting that one tonight. Or you'll probably see that one before this one is finished. So it was a baby and a mama pair of strawberry earrings. So super cute. Perfect little gifts coming up for if you want to give those as gifts, or if you want to set up your own selling stand this summer. Hey, make you some earrings. My 15-year-old tonight was making rings out of polymer clay, and they are the cutest things since sliced bread. We used to do polymer clay together all the time when she was little. I told her that she learned from the polymer clay master. She didn't give me my props, right? But anyway, so we're gonna be using jump rings to apply these. We already have our fish hooks, so all we have to do is wait for these to dry, and then they would be good to go. I already have the idea for the next project we're gonna be doing, but because I have 3 or 4 ideas whirling around in my head, I'm not gonna announce which one it is just yet. But you'll have to stay tuned. So be sure to like this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for all of you that are new and subscribing to my channel. I hope I don't disappoint with my designs, and I'll definitely learn to slow down the video recording and not make it so fast in terms of trying to rush through it with the sound. But again, it's the phone. It's me using the little bunny that makes things speed up versus me talking that fast. So God bless you guys. Thank you again for all the positive feedback, the encouragement, and the constructive criticism. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, stay tuned for when we get ready to finish these off. Okay, you guys. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the fish hook ear wires on here so we can finish up our earrings. And I had finished these the other day, but just my schedule was such that I hadn't had a chance to get on here yet and show you what they look like completed. And they are just so cute. But I forgot, when you want your fish hooks to lay right or turn the right way, you can use 2 jump rings. I forgot that's why I was putting that on here. So let's close this one up. Let's put the second jump ring on here. And then you just wanna make sure to turn your ear wire towards you. Close it up. And then they'll automatically lay the right way, right? So you won't have all that where the fish hook is turned sideways and then you gotta twist and bend the fish hook and kind of mess it up. So this way, if you put on 2 jump rings, that eliminates all that fussing and fighting with the fish hook ear wire. So that was just a little tip, little earring making hack I wanted to share. I have so many other cool ideas. I'm hoping to be able to get another pair of earrings, another video done over the weekend. This week has gone by fast. Good gracious, I've been so swamped with work. I'm so excited for those of you that reach out, that share your opinions, share feedback, that actually reach out to me for prayer, reach out to me reference business. It really blesses my heart. So super excited when I get to connect with each and every one of you, and especially those that reach out, reference our ministry videos. So, sorry, I was getting that paint off there. Look how cutesy bootsy they turned out. I think these would make a perfect gift for someone, especially someone that loves mushrooms, that collects mushrooms figurines, or that just loves bright colors. This was our 70s inspired earring idea, and I love how they came out. So until the next video, be sure to like and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all for being here. I have not forgotten that I need to do a giveaway. I just hadn't figured it out and hadn't had time, but I'm open to suggestions. Let me know. God bless you all. It's Girl Linda.